Hi there, students. To decay, a verb. Decay as a noun, I think normally uncountable. So if something decays, it gradually decomposes. Or a situation that is slowly deteriorating, a condition, a loss of status that slowly gets less. So if you eat too much sugar, you will suffer from tooth decay. The smell of decaying, rotting meat is rather disgusting. The buildings in the centre of town are beginning to decay. This is a result of urban decay, where the state is getting steadily worse and worse and worse. So to deteriorate, to get worse, to lose strength, to lose health, to decline in quality. For example, the orbit of a spacecraft around the Earth slowly decays, and then it comes to a point where it crashes to Earth, to decay, to get less. Or, for example, in computing, you have software decay or bit decay, where the program in your computer slowly becomes more fuzzy. It's got starts to get more and more mistakes in it. To decay, to rot, to go bad. The dead fish began to decay quite rapidly. In atomic energy or atomic physics, something that's radioactive decays. It loses part of its structure and disappears. Radioactive decay. As I get older, my eyesight is decaying. It's slowly but surely getting worse. So to deteriorate, to get worse, not to be as good as it was. So to break down into component parts, to rot, decaying meat, radioactive decay, to fall into ruin, a civilization that had fallen into decay. So something rises and it gets stronger and more, and then it reaches the top and begins to decay, to fall away again, to go down, to fall into ruin, to become gradually damaged, to become gradually worse, to become less. And this is the idea of to decay. The pollution is causing decay on the stone surfaces of many beautiful buildings. Okay, so decay. Organic matter is decomposing through the action of bacteria and fungi. This is decomposition. This is decay, the process of rotting. To decline in power. Enthusiasm was decaying, was leaving, was going away. A radioactive substance decays. So yes, if you know the decay rate of carbon 12, you can measure the age of organic things. So decay, when something like a dead body or a dead plant or a tooth decays, it's gradually destroyed by natural processes. In autumn, the ground is covered with decaying leaves. Tooth decay can be very painful. A society, a system, an institution can decay. It becomes weaker. It gets worse. The quality of cinema seems to have decayed over the last decade. It seems to have decayed over a decade. quite a slight difference. There's a big problem with urban decay and gang violence in many of our cities. Okay, so decay, to deteriorate, to decline, to decompose, to degenerate. Okay, stagnation and decay were the order of the day. The decay of the Roman Empire. As soon as the tree was cut down, it began to decay. There was a smell of death and decay over the town. Okay, the tooth decay was very serious. So, formality, decay. I think 6 in formality, but use anywhere. Maybe 5.5 in formality, but definitely use anywhere. And this comes from Latin, de, down, and cadere, to fall. So to decay, to fall down, literally. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Decay.